My name is Vee Hollero. I'm from Davao City, Philippines, and I run podcasts and support for Smart Real Estate Coach. I work for a U.S. company, and I'm the only Filipina, and I can help it when we have these meetings and I'm talking to Americans. And there are times that I feel that I don't belong, and I only got where I am because of luck. That's why I reached out to Dr. Amanda because of those fears. She made the whole process easier and less stressful than I thought it would be. She gave me tools where these tools are super valuable, which I will continue to utilize, as I grow. I would highly recommend Dr. Amanda. So if you're ready to up level your game, step into your zone of genius, I would highly recommend Dr. Amanda. She will really push you through your limits to live the life of your dreams.